What's up, you guys? It's kind of the sound here. I have 2 Storm Ragnarok packs and 2 Extreme Victory. So let's see where this goes. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is Extreme Victory first. Nothing. So I ain't get nothing, just some good comments and rares. Oh, I got an Ultra and a rare. The Ultra is probably the Wanderer. It's pretty good. And I got another one of these. Not that bad. Hoping to get a Sheen or a Keegan. But you never know. Aw. Well, so whatever. Got a Squire. So, last pack. Hopefully this is a good one. Here we go. Aw, I got a noted. Gosh. But not bad pulls. Not bad at all. So, recap. I think that's it. I got 2 Ultras and 1 Super. I got some good commons and rares, and the rest of it is junk. But yeah, so if you guys want any of this, hit me up, and yeah, catch you guys later.